Hi, my name is Lisa Precht with Essential Life Naturals, and this is another video that I'm doing for you today on making natural healing remedies for yourself and your family. Today I am making ginger syrup, and it's really super easy. It's tasty. I think it's delicious, and it's really effective. It's from one of my favorite books and one of my favorite people, who is Rosemary Gladstar, and it's Medicinal Herbs, A Beginner's Guide. I'm kind of one of those crazy people who, rather than just I don't read any like romance novels or anything like that. I will read cookbooks, herbal remedy books, essential oil books, all those other. That's what I like to read at night. My husband is just like, seriously, do you really find that amusing? And you know what? I do. I've learned so much, and I enjoy making these things. They just bring me a lot of pleasure because they're from nature. They work. They taste good, and I don't know. It gives me a sense of kind of empowerment over my own health, which I think a lot of people are missing these days. People feel like they're responding reactively rather than proactively to their health. And you know what? We are the masters of our own temple, this great body that God gave us. And it's okay for us to, and we should take good care of it. And that doesn't mean wait till we get sick and then run to the doctor and take a pill. Although, you know what? There's a time and place for that too. But I think more importantly, if we can take really good care of ourselves to prevent that, then who wouldn't want that? So today I'm making this ginger syrup. As I said, it's very easy. And basically what I did is I just peeled kind of a root or a hand of ginger. You know, it looks kind of like a hand when you buy it at the store. And I peeled it with a little knife, which is really kind of a pain. I don't know if really an easier way to do that. Anyway, that's how I do it. Just peel it with my little paring knife and then ran it through my food processor, so I get this nice little grate of ginger. And it just smells like lemony, zesty deliciousness. And it's very uplifting, and it just makes me feel good when I smell it. So I think that alone is really a good thing, that it smells good. Anyway, ginger syrup. Ginger has long been used for stomach issues, motion sickness, morning sickness, upset stomach. And it's also really great for coughs and colds and flu symptoms because it's very warming. So for any of these kinds of things that you might have, any stomach distress, any cold or flu symptoms, coughing, chest congestion, stomach ache, things like that, great to have on hand. And so here's all it is. So you're going to buy a hand of ginger, or a bulb of ginger, or a root of ginger, and you're going to peel it and grate it up however you need to. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a hand grater, although be careful that you don't shave the ends of your fingers off, because that's painful. And all you're going to do is you're going to pour this into, I have just a little pan here, pour it into the pan, and then you're going to cover that with honey. And so I just bought a raw honey here. I like raw honey. It's unpasteurized. It's got all the goodness in it that nature created in it. So it's all the good stuff isn't heated out. So if you can use raw honey, that'd be great. So I'm just basically going to cover the ginger with this honey. And I think we're actually going to add, I don't know if you probably can't see how much I have, but I suppose I've added about a cup. And then I'm going to just put this on the stove and put it on low. And I'm going to let it simmer for probably about 20 minutes. And then we're going to come back and I'll show you what to do next.